All right, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back นะครับ welcome back, welcome back, and very welcome back to you all. Piang. Three. Chill. All right, that's a short signal. Front running this. Take that. Take that. Take that. Alrighty, and welcome back everybody ยินดีต้อนรับนะครับผมยินดีต้อนรับสู่ Trading Session ห่างหายกันไปถึง3สัปดาห์นะครับ Just sorting my life out and we open our trade เปิดการเทรดเลยนะครับเปิดการเทรดเลยด้วยอันนี้นะครับ Signal Short มาแล้วนะครับใกล้ BOS แนวต่อไป the next time we're gonna enter a short is here if we fail if we ever fail this one because the momentum the stop loss cascade is real คือแบบตอนนี้มันกำลังลาก stop loss ทุกคนไปอยู่นะครับยกเว้นพ่อจีนแม่จีนหรือว่าคนที่เป็นเจ้ามือจริงจะเข้ามาช้อนทองนี่ก็ perfect เลย perfecto บอกเลย so let's see the price note that's our stop loss price label we entered at around this area นะครับ we had potentially a recovery yes we don't know price note อาจจะโดน stop ก็ได้ใครจะไปรู้ short signal front run if this does not hold ไปรอตรงนี้เลยครับแล้วรอสัญญาณนะครับ so if this doesn't hold so there's an engulfing a lot of buying back potential we might not see a good trade we might not be in a good trade at this moment อาจจะไม่ค่อยดีเท่าไหร่แต่ก็ลองดูเพราะว่า the big 4,000 line 4,000 ไหน 4,000 กลายเป็นแนวต้านอย่างเสร็จสมบูรณ์แนวต้านอย่างเสร็จสมบูรณ์ flag mark แนวต้านอย่างเสร็จสมบูรณ์ all with this and there's a sell signal here มีเซลล์2อันช็อตและเซลล์นะครับช็อตและเซลล์ดูด้วย volume support this move the market does support this move look at the bigger time frame the market don't really support this move but let's see next area is here นะแต่ถ้าเกิดไม่ผ่านก็ปุ้มเลย let's go ใครผ่านเข้ามาทักทายกันได้นะครับ so who don't you're welcome to greet me show me a little love and let's see where this is gonna take us stop loss ไหม stop loss ไหมเดี๋ยวไปดูมีสิทธิ์สูงนะครับ stop loss ถ้า stop loss ก็ไม่เป็นไรเรามีแผนที่โอเคอยู่เฮ้ย ผ่านเรียบร้อย so that's our loss this is okay that's a loss SL นะครับชิวๆ SL 1,000 จุดรอเลยทีนี้15 minutes time frame cluster buy here ไปแล้วเราก็เนาะ SL เข้ามาในไลฟ์เรียบร้อยปลายแท่งประมาณนี้รอดูกันช็อตลองช็อตต่อแถวนี้ดูโอ้เริ่มมาแล้ว let's go let's try here we go againรอ15 minutes time frame ตรงนี้นะครับ5 minutes time frame ใกล้ละ3 minutes time frame we are almost there is at 1,000 points short มาอีกแล้ว front run อีกไหม no not yet wait for PA sports to the game wait for trend line break สัญญาณช็อตมาแต่ยังไม่มีนะครับโดนไปแล้วประมาณ40 50เลย50เลยเหรอโอ้โหโอ้ต้องมี stop loss ว่ะ 1 hour time frame เราก็ต้องมี stop loss เหมือนกันนะตรงนี้ไปแล้ว break trend line and follow sell แต่ว่า at this moment there's noneโอ้ price action เอาดีไหมวะไม่ยังไม่เอา trend line's not broken trend line's not broken นะครับ let's see if the demand is here oh 1 hour time frame the market does support just take that thing out the market does support this move really support this recovery so we have to wait that support this move. Historical low. Short 3 นะ We're gonna keep going. Oh, it has passed. So we're gonna have to move. $50 60ที่ทำมาตั้งนานหายหมดยกตด We draw another resistance line here. If there's a break of a trend line and there's a short signal ถ้าเกิดมีเบรกแล้วมีช็อตนี่ก็ follow ทันทีนะครับ อยาก follow มากเลยแต่ว่ายังไม่มีจังหวะเข้านะ so I really want to follow sell here but not yet because we have to wait for this. Three more chances. Can't be that bad. Raw. 15 minutes, the cluster here. This one's another big cluster. If we shall ever reach here again, anything can happen. Trading life. Oh, the trend lines might break soon. Raw นะครับ raw. We just have to wait. So you might be wondering what happened to me? Where did I go? อาจจะสงสัยว่าไปไหนมานะครับโอ้จาก70 90ไปนี่เลยนะครับ Oh, break trade drive, maybe. So I just kind of got into real estate at this moment. As a side job, it's always been a dream. I do want to put my trading money into investment in the future. คืออยากเอาตังค์ที่เทรดได้เนี่ยมาลงในทุนในสังหานะครับก็เลยคิดว่าน่าสนใจน่าสนใจ Aside from trading I want to increase my in real estate knowledge too but hey a man's gonna follow his dream ทำตามฝันนะครับทำตามฝันดูเหมือนว่าเขาจะขึ้นไปอย่างไม่มีที่สิ้นสุดนะครับขึ้นไปอย่างไม่มีที่สิ้นสุด so the recovery is real it's no joke the recovery is no jokeรอดู so that eventually the trend has to break false signal so it just keeps going up wow the market does support these moves so this is not something out of the ordinary คือมูฟนี้มันไม่ใช่มูฟปกติวอลลุ่มแบบมหาศาลกลับมาแล้วนะครับมาดูใน1 hour กันวอลลุ่มมหาศาลก็กลับมาแล้วกลับมาเยอะกว่าตั้งแต่วันที่18เลยทีเดียว so this is pretty much a confirmation that buyer steps in historic low they do step inหรือไม่ก็ short covering ด้วยนะ short covering คือคนทำกำไรจาก short แต่ก็ยังไม่หนักเท่านี้อยู่ดีวันนี้เพิ่งมีคนที่ขาย SPDR Go ไปว้าวไม่หนักเท่านี้อยู่ดีนะครับ so at this moment there's no short yet very attractive short but no unless you want to front run itยังไม่ break trend line นะ so there's no breaking of trend line there are signs of shorting but at this moment let's see the volume is having a cup so at this point it's still increase there's a short okay liquidity sweep in progress นะยังไม่ break this is not breaking not yet if there's a sell signal there's a sell signal then I would go in but not yet there's a short doesn't break it has to consolidate a little bit for it to go down meaning that the bullishness of this market tends to die down คือถ้าเกิดแบบแรงเทมันเริ่มหมดนะครับแรงซื้อมันเริ่มหมดก็น่าเข้าแต่ตอนนี้มันยังไม่หมดนะ There are no signs of stoppage in the region of bullishness ยังนะครับยังไปต่อได้เรื่อยๆจะไป stop loss account ใหญ่ผมนะเนี่ย stop account ใหญ่ใช่ไหม V shape recovery ของแท้ So that's a very nice reshaped recovery. We wait for short only, but it is bullish though. คืออยากจะบอกว่าแบบเขา QE เขา QE ก็คือว่า quantitative easing, meaning that they print money to put in the US economy. How is that gonna be good for everyone? Because you just making a fool of yourself, US. คือเงินเฟ้อมา In fact, the images shows a real person, especially Andrew. Announcing an emergency session today. Has not announced emergency QE program 50 billion increase in June. Oh. Yep, I'm going in again. Sell. Ow. แท่งพระเอกมาแล้วยอมจำ ผิดก็ต้องยอม What? So we lost again in a matter of minutes. Oh man. Two more tries. Two more tries. SL. Oh. Thank you. So for the sellers, maybe it's not a good time at this moment. Look at the bigger time frame. Look for trend exhaustion. ว้าว 2% in a matter of hours. No, 1 hour. Yeah. ยังไม่เข้านะครับ ยังไม่เข้า เข้าได้เข้าได้นี่ just money just money โดนอีกแน่ท่าทางแล้ว ยังดี ยังไม่100 point So what happened to me is just like คือ number one for trading it's just psychological warfare you have to really find the perfect balance between portfolio size ก็คือว่า port size เท่าไหร่นะครับ port size เท่าไหร่ your portfolio size and how often you want to trade คือแบบเราต้องแบบเคลียร์ให้เคลียร์เลยว่า today อะ 5 times 5 positions only 5 positions no more no less because having less exposure to the market หรือว่าแบบเทรดไม่ถึงเป้าในแต่ละวัน that means that it's actually increases the risk because ideally after you backtest your system right คือถ้าเกิด backtest ซ้อมทุกอย่างที่ใน trading view หรืออะไรก็ตามแล้วเนี่ย then you should see you should see a result not worse than 50%คือแบบอย่างน้อยอ่ะควรจะได้สักประมาณ50 หรือ 60% win rate so with a 50 to 60% win rate and 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio meaning that คือเสีย1ได้2อย่างเงี้ยนะครับเสีย1ได้2อย่างเงี้ยก็โอเค so your asymmetric risk to reward that's a good one too ถ้าเกิดสามารถทำได้อย่างนี้ก็โอเคโอเคพันแต้มพอ So right now we actually active trading. So we did actually SL twice. Short position at around 31. So pips. All we need, really all we need is love. So we entered here. And TP's here, stop loss is here. Face the adversity. รอเลยครับรอเลย Enter the trade. That's a gimmick. That's a gimmick. So what happened here is that no trend break. No trend break. Yes, trend break. Lost. Enter again. Let's see. Not a clean breakthrough. 30 minutes. Overwhelmingly bullish. This supports the move. This does not support the move. รอดูก็ไอ้ so what happens to this is that ต้องรอก่อน we have to wait for the TP to be half of what we really want. So in this case 1,000. So the TP has to be around here before we change our stop loss นะ change our stop loss to almost. Then we're gonna move our stop loss to where we want to be. Not yet. Oh, what happened? เกิดอะไรขึ้น The bullish force is quite fishy indeed. อ้าวมันแตะไปแล้วนี่เลื่อน stop loss เลื่อนครับเลื่อนมันจะไม่เสียที่ take แล้วนะมันเสียน้ำตา take แล้ว I won't lose tears over you anymore in this position. All we want is to go down here. The market, most of the times, it never goes our way. If it does, everybody will be rich. Everybody will be rich. แต่ว่านะครับ take profit กันรัวๆเลย 1,000 points from here. Smart money concept. So we wait. Can we break even today? We don't know. ถ้าเกิดสมมติว่าผมชนะเทรดนี้นะที่แพ้ไป2ไม้เนี่ยก็เอาคืนได้หมดเลยนะครับ enter position for those who newcomer we enter a position get me hope you like the sound of the bell because I doเข็นแม่งเลยดีไหมเอาคืนเอาคืนOh, that's not good. C14 very very high risk trade I just entered. $4011. That's where we want to go. Move our stop loss to here. Okay. Bye. So I'm playing Clark Kent, the position. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. I'm Clark Kenting the position. Actually, wait. Just 4 more. We would have made everything that much better. Psychological นะ so we have to be prepared for psychological warfare มันอาจจะขึ้นไปแล้วก็ it just there might be like a god candle just destroys everything. We can never know. We can never know in this trading world. If we do, we'll all be rich. Some may know better than others. But for me, nah. Only 4 more. Only 4 more. It has to fight. It really has to fight. คือเราต้องสู้กับมันค่อนข้างแรง สู้มันค่อนข้างแรงแล้วมันจะไปถึงไหมก็ไม่รู้ด้วยนะ So we have to pray to the trading god that we tick all the boxes. Tick all the boxes หรือยังคือ 1 แนวต้านเรียบร้อย so we did tick all the boxes. So this is what do you say, the cluster. This is the waiting game. You do not touch anything, you do not feel anything. If you can, be as calm as possible. Be like AI just have RAMs, meaning you process everything and just shoots out information. Boom, 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 boom. มาแล้ว Really close that we void this whole trade. voided. We voided this whole trade. We wanted to be extremely profitable in that, but we didn't. So essentially we gained nothing from that trade. So no trade, even though if it's gonna move down. Next plan. TP SL0. Void trade. So what's the catch today? Today is negative 63. It's not too bad. Not too bad. So it's not sunshines and rainbows. Now that if we going to go down all the way, it's fine. So this is a void trade. Void. Should we play a little game? Should we play a little game? Wait for it to go down here? No. No, 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 no. Even though I really want to. If we test another signal, we might enter. Boom, boom, boom. So, thing about trading is that you have to be patient. Be extremely patient. This price area is very nice. Watch for it. Watch for the price areaนะครับ But it's losing momentum to go up, I guess. Alright, ครับ อ๋อ ขอบคุณครับ
นั่งดีมากเลยนะ
จริงเหรอ
ในวันชอบ
ไหน
อันนี้ไม่ให้หลงทำไมอย่าลืมนั่งนะ
I just bought me a meditation seat. Can't live in my mouth. Meditation seat. So I have 2 more tries. Thanks for being with me here. today, guys. I don't even know who's with me. Just gonna keep doing it. Just look at the chat and talk to. Hello, hello. Yeah, of course there's a mic. Hello. Don't tell me that I've been speaking without a mic the whole time. Now we wait. Now we have to wait. There's nothing we can do but wait. Just waiting and gaming Brawl Stars. Because 80% of it is trading, you know? 80% of trading is waiting. It's like on my screen here. 80% of trading is waiting. New York session, you can follow. this area again คือต้องรอนี่ wait for this area again we have to wait for this รอนี่นะครับเรา void the trade ไปแล้ว zero profit so 2 SLs but only need one win only need one win oh the zone is here เข้าดีไหมวะเข้าหรือไม่เข้าดีวะ no it's not in the zone so not yet even though the price action is nice not in the zone we don't go in Nice. Oh my god. But it's not in the zone. Sorry, guys. We can miss it. Just missed it. Whatever. Not in the zone. Don't want anything to do with it. So not in the zone, we don't go in. Even though it touches here many times, it will probably hit 11 like we wanted it to be, but we don't do anything else. Not in the zone, no go, no play. Oh, touch our first TP point. has to touch. It's only a few more points left. Might been right. That's a Thai saying. Might been right. Might been right. If we were to enter it again, it would be something like. Well, yeah, it would hit. It would hit. Almost. Might be right. So what happened there is that I got a little greedy because I lost two times in a row. So I'm looking for a trade that will win me back all of it and more. But if I waited, I would have win back, but not all of it. Yeah, but hey, part of the learning, part of the journey is the learning. Part of the journey is the learning. Part of the learning is the journey. You know what I mean. Of course you do know what I mean. Hoo-hoo-y. Big institutions is 1 day, 4 hours. 4 hours is really bullish on this. It's not that bullish. Not that bullish. Now the price wants to go down even more. I guess I'm not lucky in this trading in the trading world, but my discipline is still on point. I guess it's because I'm surviving the market. Come on, let's have one more win. wow. If you held on to the point, we held on to the point, we would have reached it with no hassle. We entered it here, so there are a few hiccups. It's a buy signal. Shall we? Shall we? Shall we go buy signal this? Shall we be a brave young man and buy it? No. You may be wondering why. It's because it's a downtrend. You don't buy into the downtrend. So we wait. รอนะครับ All good things come to those who wait. So what happened to me in the last 2 months taught me a lot. I'm doing an oversize. I risk 200%, 1% of my portfolio, and that personally makes me feel uncomfortable. Meaning that 1% of portfolio might be okay for someone, but as a trader, I think it's too much. So I changed it to 0.25%. Because I tried 0.5%, it's not okay. So I tried 0.25%. So I'm in a sweet spot. Honestly, I need to find out what works for me best in terms of the trading period. คือแบบว่าอยากรู้ว่าช่วงเวลาไหนที่เทรดดีที่สุดนะครับช่วงเวลาไหนที่เทรดดีที่สุด can be New York, can be London, can be Australian, Sydney session, can be Asia session. We don't know. ยังไม่รู้นะครับยังไม่รู้ We don't know yet. A brutal 60 and followed by a brutal bearishness. โยเจ้าความรักเจ้าความรักได้ยินไหมครับได้ยินมาเป็นไงบ้างครับดีมากกำลังจะโทรมาบอกว่าทองลงยับเลยที่รักไม่เป็นไรนะก็ที่รักบอกเองนี่ว่าเงินที่เงินนี่หรอเงินที่ซื้อทองที่รักทิ้งได้นานเลยใช่ไหมล่ะครับเงินเย็นๆนะแล้วก็เผื่อไว้นะเผื่อไว้อีกประมาณ3 เดือนข้างหน้าลงก็ซื้อให้มันคอไป3 เดือนเก่งมากทิ้งไว้2-3 ปีเลยนะไม่เป็นไรนะมันเป็นทองที่แบบซื้อมาแล้วเบิกได้ใช่ไหมดีมาก very good ปลายปีมีสิทธิ์ลุ้นว่าจะต้องหรือเปล่าก็ตอนนี้แบบสถานการณ์การเงินบับเบิ้ลอะไรมันยังไม่ชัดเจนไงแต่ปลายปีมันอาจจะชัดเจนหรือไม่ชัดเจนก็ไม่รู้ต้องดูอีกทีหนึ่งแล้วแต่ที่รักครับแล้วแต่เพราะว่าก็ดีเหมือนกันเพราะมันยังไม่มีข่าวอะไรไงงั้นเบบีไลฟ์ต่อนะครับใช่ต้องมีคนถามมาด้วยจ้าบ๊ายบายอยู่ประเทศไทยนะครับเป็นคนไทยครับ just speaking two languages sorry for the late replyไงต่อครับรออย่างเดียวปึ้งมามีสัญญาณเทต่อ retest so we waiting for a retest around here perhaps maybe test here and then sell down more or maybe just maybe we go more this is just a retest to go up and then we test around here and then sell more very good ขออภัยที่ตอบช้านะครับ พยายามจะดูแชทบ่อยๆ so yeah that's going to be more of a bearish side the bulls are trying to fight back a little bit 15 minutes does the market like the bulls the market definitely does like the bulls but the price doesn't really go up that much but the market favors the bears คือแบบดูวอลลุ่มเอาง่ายๆครับวันนี้ผมสอนวอลลุ่มเลยแล้วกันที่ศึกษามาตลอด2 ปีนะครับ จริงๆก็ศึกษามันไม่มีอะไรมากรู้ครั้งเดียวก็รู้ไปตลอดคือวอลลุ่มเนี่ย so the thing about the beauty about the volume is that it decides whether this action is good or bad this action is good for the bulls. This action is good for the bulls because you drive the price up with a nice green candle with a very high volume compared to the rest of the trend today, even yesterday, or many days, many days. So there are buying powers. There's probably like a stop buying power here. So buy. But also there's a sell power that the low volume, but the action is it's comparable. That means it's engulfing, almost engulfing, but not that much. So that means it's the downside trend is still going down. Hello, good evening. Good evening, beautiful. So yeah, we might have a retest, or we're just gonna keep going down. We had 2 SLs. It's not ideal, but we're waiting for one win. We would have won if we didn't get too too greedy. But if you follow my plan here, if you follow my plan here, yeah, it was a good plan. No need for anything else. Just set it and forget it. Probably best. If it goes out here, oh, cancels out. That's okay. Good evening, beautiful.โอ้น่าจะไม่ได้รอแล้วนะครับน่าจะไม่ได้รอแล้วขึ้นมา retest อาจจะมี retest แนวนี้ so we might see a retest here now. The market really wants to go back down. Really wants to go below 4,000. The market really loves to go below 4,000 because we already taste the fruit of the devil fruit. And now it's hunting for more blood. ต้องการเลือดนะครับ market ต้องการลากเลือดเพิ่มเติมนี่เราทำอะไรกับมันได้นอกจากรอแล้วก็รอแล้วก็รอ so we don't want to be at disadvantage here. We want to be at advantage here. Retest. Please retest. Oh, here you go again. 3,999 เจอกันอีกแล้วนะครับ 3999 3997. Do we have a 3998? We have 397. Do we have a 3998? Raw. This is a classic retest. No, no, just an engulfing, waiting to go down more. ดาวลึกๆเลยครับ ถ้า time frame day นะครับ ลึกๆเลยครับ ต่อแถวนี้ไปแล้วก็มีสิทธิ์แถวนี้เลยครับผม no kidding no kidding no kidding no kidding at all. If we don't hold this area, we're gonna this area is the last defense. This one's a very cool buy. It's a very cool buy. Extremely cool buy. Buy here again. No, we don't buy the downtrend. Clear downtrend. This is a trend. Gold swing. Don't see gold swing. Short, yes. Sell, yes. Big bro yawning every second. Waiting for retest ครับ so we don't follow นะครับ we don't follow we don't sell follow we wait for our area of interest only an area of what we have an advantage for, which is this area actually, and we wait for a signal, something similar like this. Okay, so there's nothing more, but at this time I can actually talk about the psychology of trading. So you have to trade as little as possible, and also not too little that you don't see an impact in your life. That sweet spot is very hard to find, and it's different for everyone. I hope you find that. Ooh, cluster buy. No. You see cluster buy here? No. Overwhelmingly bearish. Oh, the PCE news. Whoa. Waiting game is 80% of trading. As you can see, remember 80% of trading is waiting. It's a waiting game. If you don't wait, it'll be like me today. 2 stop losses already. So I really like to tell people that find the best lot size for yourself. Has to be enough of an impact on your trading life and has to be as little as doesn't have an impact. So it's like a balance, you know? Like I trade with $100 per trade and it felt like I still look at the graphs a lot, but when I trade $50, I'm like, I'm not too afraid to get into a trade. So I think it's a good trade-off. I still have enough money, I still have enough energy, I still have enough time to do other stuff other than trading. Do you think it will go? It will recover. It will go to 3,900. I'm not yawning. I'm not yawning yet. Do you think we'll see 3,900? Let me know in the comments. Do you think we'll see 3,900? It's battling this area for very little time. If it bounces, it bounces. If it doesn't, then it fails. ถ้าไม่ผ่านนะครับ ถ้าไม่ผ่าน 4,000 แน่นอนไม่น่ารอด อันนี้มาแค่ดูท่าทางเหมือนเขาจะทำ liquidity sweep ไหม อันนี้ไม่น่าทำ liquidity sweep นะ อันนี้แค่ force sell เฉยๆนะครับ The news is just boring news. Forex Factory. So I really like to tell people นะครับ like to tell people that probably why tell me why เพราะอะไรคะคนสวยคุณไข่มุกตอบได้ไหมคะ Why are we gonna see 3,900? Please tell me. Oh, recovery signs. There's a sell signal here. Maybe, just maybe, maybe we enter again. For the main time being, we're gonna see a big move here again. Maybe. very dangerous. Hmm? มาแล้ว so we are back in this area. We have a sell or a short signal. We're gonna go in here. Be prepared, and also we have to wait for a trend breakage too. Okay. คือต้องรอให้มันหลุด10นะครับต้องรอให้มันหลุด10นะครับหลุดกรอบนี้ไปนะครับถามว่าบางคนอาจจะถามว่าทำไมเส้นแม่งมองไม่เห็นเพราะว่าถ้าเส้นทึบเนี่ยมันจะไม่ค่อยดีนะครับ so I just don't wanna have a too rigid line.โอ้ช็อตมาแล้วนะครับช็อตมาแล้วจะกลับมาโซนนี้อีกแล้วแต่ว่า there is no sign there is no sign there is no sign of out of the blue so we don't go in not yet oh okay think we might enter here นะ break trend แล้ว break trend so yes active sale active sale active sale active sale at active sale at 4010 so it's essentially like 4010 9 something yeah active sale guys active sale active sale active sale at 4 just to be exact number 4010.98 4010 010.98 type 888 if you entered the trade come on come on all right wait no I only got sell more man the lot size is supposed to be 2 oh man my lot size is the wrong lot size oh well this one I'm going to let's see how this goes I panicked and I did oh man engulfed No change now. Do หน่อยสิว่ามันจะเป็นอย่างไรนะครับ Make or break. Make or break. Negative 30 wrong punch. Negative 1. Human error. Human error. Then what? Then what? What do you want more from me? Can this go down more? Can we see another 3,990? I don't know. Looks like we'll be performing another higher low. I mean lower high. Lower high. Looks like the market wants to go against me today, which is okay. Emotional clap. My face may not show emotion หน้าตอนนี้นะครับอาจจะไม่นะอาจจะไม่มี emotion นะแต่ว่าจริงๆแล้ว full of boredom boredom of what boredom of the nature of my own psychology นี่ so deep นะ Yeah, and the market wants to go back. And then it'll just like, oh, it'll probably go like this, guys, because I bought it. And then just go down. But hey, that's the nature of trading. You have good days and you have bad days. Do we have good days and bad days? We have good days and bad days. You do have good days and bad days. The good days may not come too early and the bad days may not come too late. If that makes sense. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, ding, ding. The market say, oh no, I want to go down. I touched the 3,900. I don't want to stay down. I stay up. Oh, goodbye. And then it wants to go down more. But this time, it's a decision between a break up or break down. But mostly down because that's the theme of the whole entire 3 or 4 months that we passed since March. We're just gonna keep going down, probably. Am I certain? No, not at all. We got here, it would be very juicy, but we didn't want to go to juicy land because we are just following the smart money. So my lot size is actually 0.25% of my portfolio. I think I bumped it 0.3 now. And look at this. Look at what's happening right now is that the market is deciding whether to go up or down. Looking at this, it's actually an uptrend, if I have to be honest. Go up, can't go anymore, come down, accumulate, but the volume is decreasing, meaning that the buying volume is dying down. So we might have to see the continuation to the downside. It's possible, and it's more likely. As you can see, the trend line is obviously bearish. คือถ้าเกิดทุกคนดูนะครับมัน bearish มาก มันยังไม่มีให้เรางงหัวเลยตั้งแต่วันไหนอะงงหัววันนี้เกือบงงหัวแต่ก็ไม่ได้งงหัวดีที่เขาไม่หลอกเรานะ so good thing that the market doesn't really fake us. This one doesn't really fake too because it doesn't reach the higher lows, doesn't reach high lows. I mean, doesn't reach high highs still. That's really hard. The market is it gonna stay low? Probably not. Here we have an M pattern here, guys. I'm gonna be a pattern nerd here. We have an M pattern here. Yep. Go down, boy. Just go down already, boy. One trade to win it all. Can I do it? Or can I not do it? $5. $5. Are you serious? Whatever. So it is almost time to see if we are going to be better, stronger. I break even cup and good night. Nice. Good night cup. Break even is better than SL. And good night, everybody. Can we meet here? Maybe, just maybe. Let's see. Let's see. Now it's coming. I'm gonna look at my own live page here. Uh-oh. Can I withstand this craziness?แตะ 4,500 แล้วก็จะขึ้นปับหรือเปล่า Are we going to see something that's going our way? Maybe not. อาจจะไปอย่างนี้แล้ว Let's see the volume up here. This volume up is substantial. รอดูแล้วกัน engulfing หรือเปล่า Is it an engulfing pattern? Don't know yet. We're gonna be patient. We're gonna close our eyes and hope for the best. Hope for the best. That's all we can do. จะขึ้นมาแตะ entry point maybe. Maybe we'll see some miracles. Maybe we don't. Maybe the market just hates us today. Gonna be 3SL, but discipline. Yeah, I think the market hates us. The market really do hates us. Not even 1,000 points. Retest, higher lows, could be bearish, could be bullish, might close. Discipline or no discipline? I choose discipline. If it's a third time loss in a row, then so be it. Looks like it's very possible. Salavi. And it's about to hit our stop loss. Very nice. Salavi. This will be our third one this time. And that's the mark at the end of the live stream. So yeah, very close to hitting our stop loss again. That is life. Cannot complain. No matter how much my entire body wants to scream, but I'm gonna have to keep my discipline in check, in hoping that there might be some sort of like a miracle candle that goes I don't know. It probably goes up to like this and then go down again. Maybe. Or maybe not. Oh, maybe there's some hope for us yet. There's a short signal to, to help us cope with our copiumness. Maybe there is hope yet, but I don't know. I don't know. Hope is not a theme for today. Maybe it is a theme for today, right? Just like Frodo in the ring, and the Frodo wants to accomplish his mission. Even though our hope seems lost. What do we have here? Looking at the graphs makes me go insane. คือแบบยิ่งมองกราฟนะครับบอกเลยว่าไม่มีอะไรดีขึ้นเลยเพราะว่า mindset psychology. So the thing about your psychology is that you look at the graphs because most of the time you don't look at the graph. Oh, this is my short. Very nice. You don't look at the graph to analyze because you look at it. The reason why you look at it, it's because your emotion. You look at it to see if it's going in your way or not. If it does not, meaning you are tying a knot to the sense of loss, like I do. But I'm trying to be as mature as possible. คือแบบอารมณ์มีเต็มเปี่ยม 100% ครับขนาดแค่หลอด 0.05 เองมั้งคือเสีย50เหรียญนะ60เหรียญนะก็ยังแบบ So what separates pro traders from immature ones? First one is experience. Experience brings the second one, emotional control. Thank you. Can we break even today? We do not know. คือเห็นแท่งอย่างนี้มาอาจจะดีใจนะครับแต่ว่าบอกเลยว่าตลาดบนโลกนี้เนี่ยนะมันเป็นตลาดที่แบบ manipulate สุดละถ้าเราเล่นแบบ short term แล้วเราไม่มีแผนที่ชัดเจน so I have a clear plan. Luckily I do have a clear plan. I just let it rip. If I waited a little bit I would have a little bit. Would I get in here? Maybe. I don't know if I want to get in here. So now do I want to move my stop loss? No. Just wait. Open arms. Whatever happens, happens. Does the market support this move? It does, but not very good. Does the market support this move? It does, but not very good too. If the market does support this kind of move all the time, I don't know. I'm gonna clone this and see the possibility of it touches once, twice, then it goes down. So the probability of it touching it thrice is low. So I may have to move my stop loss. It looked no good. It looked no good. There's a lot of activity, undecisive activity. So I think I'm gonna move my stop loss. It's already been tested twice. Testing it again is going to be a little bit more heart-wrenching. So I moved my stop loss to my entry point already. คือคันหน้าทุนแล้วนะเพราะมันแตะ2 รอบแล้ว most of the time. If it's third time and it goes down, whatever. Just minimizing my loss here and with the double confirmation here. Double confirm นะครับใครอยากรู้ double confirm พิมพ์มาเลยครับพิมพ์มาเลย If you want to know more about what is double confirm, let me know. I'll be happy to tell you all night long. Waiting for it to go down to this point, which I don't think it's ever gonna happen if the price is gonna keep consolidating around this area. If it touches here again, mostly it may, because this is a high demand area already. From resistance, from support to resistance, and then no more support resistance, become a support. Psychological area, purely psychological area. If it hits twice, then it hits twice, then okay, it hits 3 times. Lord knows what's gonna happen next. The cluster is already deciding that should I go up or should I go down? But the selling pressure, I think it's safe to say that it is quite a bit. The market does support this move. The market does support this move, but not as much as this. But then again, the rest of the volume goes against it. For the 1-hour time frame, the market support this move. The market does support for it to go up. But, however, the market doesn't really support here. So I'm not going to do anything fancy now. So the market actually does support here because 2 volumes here is stronger. The 4-hour time frame. The market, okay, the market, when you look at the 4-hour time frame, the market actually rejects. คือตัด psychological area นะ แล้วเขาก็จะปึ้งขึ้นมาแล้วเราก็จะ void trade again เราก็ยอมรับนะครับเราก็ยอมรับการ void ไปซะ support area, this is a support area, it's a psychological area. As you can see, this cluster here, touch, bounce. If it can't hold, pattern of waterfalls be sure to see คือดูตรงนี้แล้วเนี่ย cluster อยู่ตรงนี้นะเทรดกันบ่อยมากอยู่ตรงนี้ a nice resistance around this area but need to see a breakout but if it doesn't have a breakout and bounce again Sue see bounce again so the market does support this move still bearish break below oh yeah we enter a position look at my lucky ring lucky bell it's my lucky bell นะครับกระดิ่งอันนี้มี symbol เยอะๆ we enter a trade I always forget maybe next time I'll just put it over here so you guys can see maybe you don't know what this is you'll be like typing in the comments what is this and be like oh yeah this is my lucky ring เอาละ so the next support is here if we so-called touch this again then maybe we maybe be able to go down to here but the 4,000 level is just too strong at this moment the buying pressure is back on the board but if we only focus on here it's sideways it's easy they'll just touch this here again then it'll go down oh buy signal here นะ it will go sideways for quite a while I believe just keep going up yeah just keep going up for sure strong rejection and strong buying pressure strong rejection of buy หรือเปล่า no green oh red คือเข้าใจว่า the psychology of your trading is the most important because you're going to be using your emotions more than your you know your head void I'll call it right now I'm going to bet on my own self that this trade is going to be void it's not even going to be TP for one I kind of just have TP2 just break even the whole dayเทรดด้วยจิตว่างนะครับทุกคนเทรดด้วยจิตว่าง My prediction is that it's going to remain sideways for quite a while, and then the market decides to go, oh, and then it's just going to go down. Let's look at the news. The news is lackluster actually. คือแบบว่าวันนี้ USD มีอะไรบ้างไม่ค่อยมีอะไรมากมายขนาดนั้น Crude oil actual less than forecast is good for the currency. It is less. No, it is more. So the USD must tank. But the USD tanked. Let's see. Did the USD tank? Oh no, not at all. No sign of weakness from the USDT. I mean USD. And then it touched, and it's gonna go up and down, up and down. There's always tomorrow, guys. There's always tomorrow, nah. For those watching, you're welcome to leave a like. You know, it's like a giving a flower to your first date. Because you always watching me for the first time, right? กดไลค์กดแชร์กด Subscribe ได้นะครับถ้าชอบคอนเทนต์แบบรัวๆแบบนี้แล้วมาเจอกันใหม่จะกลับมาไลฟ์แบบเยอะๆลองดูนะครับ Yeah, it's just trying to make trading interesting for me too and for you too, because let's face it, nobody wants to look at graphs all the time. Like, we're human, we only want money, right? We don't want to look at that boring candles if it doesn't make us money. Of course, right? You don't want to work for free. You want to work something in return. Maybe it's just fun. Maybe it's just to ring a bell that say, hey, I'm still in an active trade, and we are actually reaching a resistance line here. คือแนวรับที่มันไม่ยอมที่จะลงสักทีสะสม accumulation หรือเปล่าก็ไม่รู้นะครับ I don't know if it's accumulating here or is it just waiting to go down. Looks like it is waiting to go down, but anything can happen. Anything, absolutely anything. The 4,000 psychological barrier is true. Once it breaks, people buy, and then it jumps up. Maybe these are all retails. And now we are at a pinnacle of tonight. We are at the pinnacle of tonight. $9 more, and then end the live stream. Break even or profit. Trading life, man. Trading life. What do I feel about this? Absolutely tiresome. Because psychology, I have to train it. I have to meditate. You see this? This my mom bought me. I have to sit on it and meditate. That's how I'll be able to survive this unforgiving market. Okay. And now, are we gonna see the bottom here? จะเห็นไหมเนี่ยโอ้โห rejection bearish rejection เรียบร้อยจะลงไปต่อได้ไหมไม่น่าได้นะ so we tested the same low. It will probably be like a massive buying opportunity. Let's come back here again, and then the trade's gonna be void. You reach 4,000 again. Oh man, if it passes here again, then the very likely chance that we're not gonna see our TP tonight. for goodness sake. I'm just gonna change this trading live stream to a meditation live stream now. I'm just gonna change it to meditation live stream. Train your mind. Breathe. Focus here นะครับ Focus here. The thing about meditation นะครับ is that most people control their breath when they put attention to their breath. They control the breath. But the key of meditation is not to control your breath. The key is to let it go. The music kind of gets me though. ชอบเพลงไหมครับ ผมชอบเพลงแจ๊สมากเลย ชอบ Some might think I only have the lucky belt. Come on, attract luck. No, I do have this too. My mom made these for me. These are my hats. Money hat. Money hat on here. Money hat on the streaming platform. Money shirt. Money shirt. Money shirt. My mom's the best. 100 baht money shirt. They're just plain old money. Plain old money. These has no money in it though. Yeah, has no money in it. It's just a nice envelope. $50. Oh yeah, it's raining in Thailand. If you guys from what do you say? If you're not in Bangkok, it is raining. It's sorry guys. It's probably not the best view to look at the grass like this. Just going to hide this for now. Hide this for now. Look at the volume. The volume is dying down. This one's a very big volume. We are consolidating above the resistance line. แนวรับอันนี้โคตรแข็งนี่คือตั้งแต่4 ทุ่มจนถึง5 ทุ่มนะ แข็งอะไรของเรา Do you guys like this? If you guys like this, type something. If you don't like this, just type something too. Otherwise, I'm gonna keep doing it because it sounds really nice. เหมือนมันได้เคลียร์สมอง like this. Okay, I'm gonna turn this whole session into a meditation session now. Okay, because it's waiting. 80% of it's waiting, as you can see. It's just waiting. It's a waiting game. Waiting game, guys. Game raw. Remember, 80% of trading is waiting, meaning that เรารอให้มันมาชนหน้าทุนเราแล้วเราก็ no trade no profit ไม่ใช่อย่างนั้นนะครับ ไม่มีใครอยากเทรดมาตั้งนานแล้วไม่ได้ตังค์หรอกแต่ว่า the nature of the market minimize the loss too many let's analyze here. Okay, does the market support this big move? It does. Does it support this move? Not really. Does it support these moves? Yeah, these moves ถ้าเกิดไปไม่ถึงก็เรียบร้อยนะครับรอลงมาแต่ถ้าไปถึงก็ไปต่อดูท่าทางมันน่าจะขึ้นต่อนะ Let's look at the 5 minutes time frame. Does it have a long signal? No long signal yet. The trend line here, it's very highly likely that it's not broken. It might test here a little bit. It might test here, which is a freaking entry point. คือบอกเลยว่าถ้าอยู่ดูแต่กราฟของผมเนี่ยในไลฟ์เนี่ยจริงๆอยากจะแบบออกไปเล่นเกมออกไปนั่งสมาธินะถ้าดูไลฟ์ของผมเนี่ยยังไง you always get your emotion involved no matter how well trained you are if you in it for the profit every time it goes your way it's good but every time it doesn't go your way it's bad 22:30 is when we entered the trade so we entered the trade around here yep we didn't do anything here we wait for it to go down and then now it's going to go down again or not it touch up lower low just clear the mind There's another short signal. Wouldn't you know that? Just go in already. The buyer exhausted. Do we have to wait for midnight tomorrow? We don't know. Oh, another short signal over here, guys. If you do want to enter, ใครอยากเข้านะครับ ใครอยากเข้า at your own risk. At your own risk. I would not recommend because ถ้าจะเข้านะ1 ต่อ 2ไปเลยไปนี่รอนี่เลย398ถ้าจะเข้าตรงนี้นะ นี่อัปเกรดเอาก็พรามอัปเกรดมีบอก entry มีบอกทุกอย่าง expect stop expect target they buy what no TSS bearish trending down แต่ว่า buy ไม่เข้าใจเหมือนกัน You know what? I might just close my position for today. Already closed my position, guys. Voided. $17. Oh my goodness. All right. Looks like the market is very, very. I don't want to blame the market, but it could be better. We closed out one position here, would have been made a lot more profit, but we ended up with $20 from this trade. Pathetic, right? Probably gonna touch and fall down again, or maybe not. But hey, thank you for you guys for watching, and close the trades, close the deal. Goodbye, and see you in the morning maybe, because if we're gonna see this through. Yeah, the market is really strong on this one. If we manage to yeah, it breaks the channel. See another resistance line here. Sorry, excuse me. It hit our stop loss. Okay, at least I got $17 out of all of it. So void. Need to know what time too, actually. Okay, guys, thank you. And I hope to see you again. If you like this content, please leave a like. It means a lot to me. อย่าลืมกดไลค์นะครับจะได้มีกำลังใจทำต่อนะครับ แล้วก็golden rule I'll show you guys golden rule tomorrow. golden rule ก็คือว่าแบบขี้เกียจพิมพ์นะแต่พิมพ์ง่ายๆเลยก็คือว่ารักษาต้นทุนเทรดยังไงก็ได้มี system ยังไงก็ได้ที่อยู่ back test รักษาต้นทุนรักษากำไรได้แล้วนะครับอย่าให้มันหายไปรักษาวินัยที่มีอยู่นะครับห้ามหายไปนะครับแล้วก็รักษาใจตัวเองใจ ใจตัวเองมีอยู่ใช่ไหมใจตัวเองดีอยู่ชื้นอยู่ก็ดูว่าการเทรดของคุณเนี่ยทำให้ใจดีขึ้นหรือเปล่าหรือผวาหรือเปล่าตื่นกลางดึกหรือเปล่าถ้าทำอย่างนั้นเนี่ยก็ไม่ใช่ละเพราะฉะนั้นนะครับ so protect your capital protect your profit protect your discipline and protect your soul if you trade you shouldn't lose money if you do lose money not like that trade exactly because like if you trade for about 3 months and you keep losing money then something's wrong revise it if you have your profit then you have to take your profit somewhere else that's going to go away personally I've been there I lose profits so many times but I managed to keep my capital so I only follow the first rule but the second one I don't follow and that's not gonna be sustainable for my entire life because it's not stable so making something unstable to become stable is like a pure harnessness you know and then lastly protect your soul this should be not your priority your priority is to make your soul happy because what's the point of you trade and you're not happy okay it's not gambling it's more to life than trading so get out there talk to the girl that you always want to talk to eat that food that you always wanted to and thank you and hopefully I'll see you guys later peace out maybe in the Asia session and goodbye who is this beautiful girl makes me nervous